Drowning by Ricardo Sosa II. Empty, alone, ashamed, broken. I'm so shattered. Every day, this monster inside of me consumes all the life I have left. And no matter what I do, I can't seem to stop it. This is the internal conflict is raging and exhausting me. I'm worn out. I'm very exhausted. Happiness, so they say, is a decision. It's not really that easy. Do they believe I chose to behave this manner? Every breath I take hurts so much that I want to give up and give in because every day is another war I can't win. I become crippled every time my anxiety attacks, and I collapse to the ground in defeat, unable to get back. Every single day is a battle to survive and draw one breath. You can't succeed. One of the worst feelings you can experience is being labeled as mentally ill. And that's how it feels every day. Would anybody settle for that? In my opinion, no. I am not okay. No matter what I say, maybe I'll never be okay. Have you ever been asked, are you afraid of dying? I have, and it's frightening to think that I might never be the same as I once was. And whenever I'm asked that, I always say no because I'm terrified of what life has turned out to be in my view. Every day is a fight. I worry that I won't ever get to see the precious version of myself. In other words, I'm not terrified of dying. I'm afraid of not living. Because I assure them that if there is anything I am certain of, it is that I will continue to fight. I will never stop fighting for my life because I know that there are things in life worth fighting for. What's left of my life feels like a win at all cost endeavor. No matter how much or how little I lose during the struggle, the fact that I survived is reason enough to feel very proud. I sometimes think that everyone in my life has abandoned me, betrayed me, or stopped caring about me. Naturally, this makes me feel alone. But oddly enough, it also makes me feel stronger. I know that if I make it through this, not if, but when, I will get to disprove each every one of them. I get to prove to them that they were wrong to give up on me. And I get to see the look on their face when they see that I made it through it. So yeah, Having depression makes life really difficult. And to be honest, it's similar to being alone in a pitch black, frightening jungle. You can't really see, though, that your family is waiting for you on the other side with a warm blanket and trip back home. You certainly consider giving up more than once, but I know that I will fight with everything I have, even if all I have is a toy gun while I'm up against an army of tanks. To win this battle, because you are a cause for which I want to put up a fight. Thank you.